I want to talk about a metaphor. It's interesting when you think about going to college. Some people believe that you just follow all the right rules, go to the right school, take the right courses and get the right job, and then partner with somebody and then buy the right house and have the right child and everything will go fine. I don't find that that's true at all, that is not how it works. That in fact, a better way to understand really what happens in college is to think about this. That really college is about being a slinky. Because I find that, sometimes we do really well and then we have some bump in the road and something doesn't go well. We have to kind of use our energy to get back. We get a professor who's not really good for us, or we're in a relationship that doesn't go well, or we get a bad roommate. But we've always got to find a way to bring ourselves back and use our energy to do something with that. So what I suggest to you, this metaphor says, don't think about it being a linear process. It's really much more like a slinky. And what I'd like you to think about the slinky is, you've got to find a way, when you have those kind of bumps in the roads, to stretch a bit. Get permission to try something new. Experiment. Ask for feedback. You're going to have lots of bumps in the roads. The question is, how well do you recover? And I think the slinky metaphor helps a little bit. College is not a destination. It's kind of an approach. It's an approach to school where you look for excitement. You try to get feedback, and you try to figure out those hidden assets that you have by helping people tell you about those, or finding out about your blind spots because people give you more feedback. The other thing to say is that when you go to college, it really is about experiences. And it's those laboratories you live with that you have to recover from and you have to learn from to get feedback. That's why the metaphor is, how do we help stretch you when you go to college? Because you're certainly going to have great times and you're going to have times you have to recover from.